nga actually kasi yung nakuha ko sa inyo, yung puro ganon.
Opo.
Meron nga pala yung isa parang plain siya buo.
Marami po
Opo.
dyan. Mas menos
So,
po
very
yun.
nice to look at. Riva
Pero
Churches.
tayo, maganda namang puro ganon buo
Yes, sir.
Kasi
Opo.
yung sukat ko, puro ganyan, buo lahat. Pero
Yes.
meron palang yung plain siya, yung parang
So,
walang-
thank you so much, Sir Mamerto Sevilla, for inviting us here in your very beautiful resort. So, everybody are welcome here. Just contact Sir Mamerto Sevilla or through St. Pio Tao Center to experience the very relaxing place in here. So, over there are the pools to be installed and a cabin wherein you can bring your families to relax and feel the ambience here in Tagaytay. So, Silang Villa East, owned by Sir Mamerto. And here are the people who help us bring down the items. Thank you so much, sir, sa pagtulong po sa pagbaba kanina. Maraming salamat po. So, thank you so much po. A very nice place po. So, your kids can dive and swim here. And being together is the best thing in life. Being with your family, unwind and relax. And feel the real meaning of togetherness. You can do your team building here. There's a billiard upstairs. Wow!
At saka may basketball court.
Wow! So for all the ball lovers, you can do your basketball shooting there upstairs. So how about the jockey, sir? Meron din. Wow! Yan yung talagang gusto natin, yung pag-kanta.
Dito yung lugar na to.
Apo.
Hanggang umaga.
So this is the Silang Villa East Villa. Silang East Villa. Okay. So you can have your reservation, sir. Just contact and search for Silang East Villa.
Meron kami sa page. Ipopromote po
Yes.
namin.
So for next resort ni sir, thank you so much again, sir, for being loyal to St. Pio Tao Center. Now with Westgate brand of the newly arrived Riva Marina. So it's a composition of Riva Turquoise and a Riva Marino. The aquamarine look, so very simple but elegant. So come and visit us here, and Sir Mamerto personally will assist you to choose which room is best fits for your family. So for big family, for team building, and the other one there are for the solo family. So they're gonna be their new 3 swimming pools there. Thank you so much. What a nice place so here. Very relaxing. You can feel the nature. It's just beside you. Look at the mountain. So really nice to be here. Thank you so much once again, Sir Mamerto Sevilla, for giving us the chance to be part of your very beautiful place. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po.